Yes. Hello, sirs. It is I again. I am the very Indian from Bulgaria. Yes, yes, yes. I am the Indian. Yes, the very Indian from Bulgaria. Yes, sirs. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, I know I look good. Yes, yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. I want you to know my disappointment in Google. Very disappointment. Yes, I am very Indian and I am very disappointment in Google. I ordered a washing machine from Google, but Google say they do not support washing machines. I was asking them how come I order from Google washing machine and it is not supported. They have the what was the word? Audacity to tell me that Google does not. What was the word? Huh? I don't understand you. Google does not. Google does not provide washing machines. And how come Google does not provide washing machines since I am able to open Google on my computer? You know, my computer, I open Google. I see that there is a washing machine. I order the washing machine from my Google. Why do they not support washing machines? Oh, I am very frustrated Indian. Yes. Yes, Google does not support. So Google provides stuff for you to buy, but they do not support it. Eh? I wanted a Google mechanic for washing machines to come and fix it, but they said that no, no, they do not have mechanics for washing machines. They asked me, what? Huh? What trademark? What is the mark? What is the trademark of the washing machine? I didn't know what they meant. I ordered it from Google. So I said it was Google. But they refused service. Yes, please advise.